Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Klarna account. I'm going to show you how you can permanent delete your Klarna account. So for this, first of all, you have to make sure that you have already downloaded the Klarna app on your device. Then open up the app. As you open up the app, wait for a certain while until the interface completely loads. It will either land you on sign in or create account page, or if you already log into your account, then you will land on your home page. So here it is asking me if I want to give Klarna to send me notification. So I'm just going to tap on yes, and as you can see, I have already logged into my account, which means that I'm landing on my home page. There you can see on the bottom right corner profile icon, so tap on it. And now what you have to do here is you have to go to the options that says customer service. There is not a particular icon eventually lead you to the deletion of your account. You have to ask them for the help. So here tap on start chat, and as you tap on start chat, what you have to do is you will have to let them know that you want to permanently delete your account and that you request them to shut down your account. So in the message section, I'm just going to type in I want to permanently delete my account. So after you send this, after a certain while, they also gonna reply to you and they will send you with certain ways by which you will be able to delete your account. So they will have certain agent for you. They can tell you basically how you can delete your account. So they will reply back. So you have to make sure that you follow the correct instruction. By that means your account deletion will be done successfully. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.